Hey, you're swimming!
So was this fun in the end, Mommy?
Of course. It was just hard to get here.
It's probably just torture for Blueberry. Like seeing all these kids.
Actually, she shouldn't be on the cold ground. My mom said she'd get frostbite on her feet.
Really?
Yeah.
Remember when she's yelling or barking?
Is she yelping a lot?
She's running around.
You want to go?
Yeah, I want to go down.
Blueberry, you can go on my board if you want. That's just my board.
She doesn't trust that thing.
Are you having fun now, Isaiah?
Yeah. Yeah.
I have to be in the front? Oh, you.
Isaiah, you're supposed to be feet first.
No, and it's easier for my hand to steer.
You take after this, I'll be right back.
Like this?
Okay, Jay, let's go.
All right.
Okay, Jem, I'll be right back.
Oh, do you have a cheese? Take a cheese with us? All right, let's do this. Does Blueberry want to come? No, I don't.
No.
Tempted as it may be, right?
Let's go. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Okay, look out below.
Yeah.
I really think it would be safer if you went feet first.
Do you think it's safer if we went closer?
I think it's safer if you go feet first and look where you're going.
I can look where you're going, but can't do feet first. But sure, I'll do feet first. But I won't lay down, because lay down then makes it way faster. When I don't do it,
Well, Mommy said you can choose, but I'm letting you know what I think.
I want to do the one I think.
Because you do have a helmet on,
Yeah.
but you should really look where you're going at least.
Well, yeah. That's the most important part. Mine's better because I can steer better.
Well, if you go feet first, you can kind of steer with by putting your feet down a little bit if you need to. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Do you want to go tobogganing again sometime?
What the way are you going? Mom.
I think we better get going soon. I think she's going to take Blueberry. Or maybe I should hold it a bit.